by Harindranath, Chattopadhyay. Poems from the Divine Vagabond. The Forging Anew. Master, I am quite prepared now. I have torn the cloudy cloak, and my silent breast is bared now to your swiftest weapon stroke. Master, I am not afraid now of your angers, for I know I will surely be remade now on your anvil, blow by blow. I can see your new creation bloom out of inconscient dark, every moment a pulsation of my nerve becomes a spark, wandering into the radiant emptiness hung afar, and in its untroubled gradient widening into a star. Out of your heroic scourging, broken life is rendered whole. In red pain fires you are forging the perfection of the soul. In your ruthless joy are shaken the dark habits of the earth. Out of broken things you waken scent of resurrected birth. Nay, the Lord will not allow us fallow sleeps of death too long. With sharp plowshares he will plow us into ripe, renascent song. For the Master knows to hold us through our losses in the past, and to some new rapture mold us, dearer to him than the last.